Meaning of erudite.
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 Erudite. Erudite refers to a person who is highly knowledgeable and well-read in a variety of subjects. An erudite person displays exceptional intelligence and scholarly wisdom, often possessing a vast understanding of language, literature, history, science, philosophy, and the arts. Erudite individuals tend to have a keen desire to acquire knowledge and are often respected and admired for their intellectualism, curiosity, and ability to engage in insightful conversations. Overall, an erudite person possesses a high level of cultural and intellectual sophistication, making them a valuable asset in academic and social circles.